Hey there, this is Sean over at OEI Digital. Just wanted to send over a quick video showing you all 3 steps you can take to bring new patients into your practice by increasing traffic to your website. Now, it looks like you have a beautiful website here, but unfortunately, not many people are seeing it. If we come over here and look at a couple stats, we have a saying in our industry, the best place to hide a dead body is on page 2 of Google. That's because there's billions of searches every day on Google, but hardly anybody makes it to page 2. Almost 2,000 monthly searches for dentists in Midland, Texas alone. 2,000. Almost 90% of searches do not make it past page 1. Over here to Google and type in dentist in Midland, Texas. We can see on here the first page, a lot of your competitors here, but unfortunately we're not seeing primary dental clinic anywhere. So that means 2,000 searches a month are all being funneled into your competitors. What I want to do is show you 3 ways you can get your website onto the first page of Google when someone types in dentist in Midland, Texas. So 3 things that you can do to get to page 1. Number 1 is content. You're going to want 1,500 words of keyword dense content onto your homepage of your website. So we took all of the words from your homepage here, we put them into a word counter, and we came up with 611 words. So we want to boost that up to 1,500 words. We want to make sure that they're rich with keywords like dental, dentists, Midland, clinic, things like that. So when people are searching for those terms, Google will automatically put your page up here because they see it as authoritative and trustworthy because of all the content that you have on your homepage. Now, number 2 is backlinks. Now, backlinks are links from other sites that point to your site. Now, we have a tool called Majestic. We can put any URL into it. We put in yours, Primary Dental Clinic. We can see how many backlinks they have. So it looks like you have 3 backlinks. If we go over to Google, we can see how many links all your competitors have. It looks like they have 17, 23, 40, 20, 126. So the general gist of it is the more backlinks that you have, the more trustworthy you seem because other sites are pointing to yours saying, this is a good site, this is a good company, and Google will trust that because of basically social proof of how many other companies are pointing to your company saying, this is a trustworthy, influential site. And number 3, citations. Now, citations are your exact business name, address, and phone number posted on business directories online. Now, you can get lists of these directories that you can post your business citations on. Right here, Bright Local, there's 50 local citation sites for the US, UK, and Canada. Sites like Facebook, Google, sites that we've all heard of, Yelp, Foursquare, the Better Business Bureau, MapQuest, Yellow Pages. All these things are free. They just take a little bit of time. You just have to submit your name, your phone number, your address. You want to make sure that they are accurate and the same across all of those domains. And the more Google sees that, the more trustworthy you seem. So again, 3 things that will get you to page 1 of Google. Content, you're going to want 1,500 words of keyword dense content on your homepage. Backlinks, the more links that other sites are pointing from their site back to your site, the better. Citations, the same thing. The more citations you have in business directories, the more Google sees that as influential and trustworthy. So again, those 3 things will get you to the first page of Google, will get you in front of 2,000 monthly searches for dentists in Midland, Texas, and will hopefully funnel new traffic and new patients into your practice. Anyways, I don't want to take up any more of your time. I'd love to chat if you had any questions. We can discuss your practice, maybe some ways we can help you reach more patients. My number is 432-287-7788. Again, this is Sean with OEI Digital. I appreciate your time. I hope to hear from you soon.